Have you ever seriously wondered why our planet is oozing and dripping with diseases, terrorism, racism, wars, crime, politics, business headaches, and 1001 other problems? Or felt shocked by famous businesses suddenly taking a nosedive from riches to rags? Or baffled by the unexplained collective silence of the benevolent gods from all of our rival religions? If it's a big yes, then don't waste time seeking answers from any reputed experts, enlightened professors, or top economists, or by reading their superb bestsellers. Also, avoid those eminent Nobel laureates, Pulitzer Prize winners, top economists, eloquent politicians, or any influential world leaders, in case you accidentally bump into them. They will only make your doubts worse with their spellbinding theories. However, if you are desperate to clear your nagging doubts, then you should ask the inventor of nothing, because he is the only brilliant person in the entire universe who knows the correct reasons for the chaos and problems on Earth. And also why our world's movers and shakers can do nothing about it. He is the dream teacher you were eagerly waiting for since childhood, who can effortlessly explain why that dullest kid in your kindergarten is now a successful millionaire, while that smartest kid is now in prison. He has also scribbled a few books, none of which have won any popular literary awards. And without even a website, blog, email id, or social media account, he has more fans, friends, and follows than every influencer or blogger on the entire World Wide Web. He is the only guy who can enlighten you with the technical, political, and business justifications for the eternal dance of feast famine, merry mayhem, good bad, peace chaos, wealth poverty, etc., around us. Finally, without even a formal authority, he can bring anyone down to their knees, regardless of geographical boundaries, political clout, diplomatic immunity, or muscle power. Want to know who that marvelous person is? Introducing the inventor of nothing. A mild and wild chat with the brilliant cosmic designer by renowned author Thejendra Sreenivas. Now, who is this inventor of nothing? He is the cosmic Machiavelli who will answer all the heated questions that believers, atheists, and agnostics have, like: who is God and who is Satan? What is the cosmic design of humans and non-humans? Why humans are so weird and gods are so ruthless? Why humans must do good, bad, and ugly jobs? Why gods can't help everyone? Why gods created violence and deaths? Why bad is actually good? Why lies are better than truth? He will also explain the technical, political, and business justifications for the eternal dance of feast famine, merry mayhem, good bad, peace chaos, wealth poverty, etc., around us. This book will completely change the way you will view the world henceforth. Finally, you will be able to easily understand the mild and wild ways of our fellow humans, like presidents, prime ministers, politicians, arms dealers, warmongers, detectives, anti-terrorism agencies, atheists, rationalists, scientists, terrorists, mafia dons, etc., and also to understand who is making them do what they do. In short, this book contains frank and never-before-released answers to all of your heated questions about God. Or in other words, this is his side of the story and a must-read for anyone curious or angry about God's irrational ways of managing the earth without diving into traditional spirituality. Get your copy today. Available in both paperback and all ebook formats. Thanks for watching this video. By the way, if you have any unused cash stashed away in secret bank accounts, precious gold bars, rare gems, priceless paintings, rare dinosaur bones, or asteroid pieces, luxury cars, private jets, or even an exotic island somewhere, please donate them to support this channel. Donation link is in description and pinned comment below. Become an author course if you are a newbie. I can coach you online to write a book with my self-paced video course. Publish your book. If you have written a book and looking for a publisher, I can help you to self-publish it worldwide on Amazon, Apple, Kobo, Barnes & Noble, Google Play, Flipkart, etc., with my affordable assisted publishing service. Visit www.authorworld.com for details. Contact me at thejendra@yahoo.com and thejendrabs@gmail.com for more details.